is Galveston, Texas. Galveston is an island on the Gulf Coast of Texas, located in South Houston. The threat to Galveston is extreme weather. The extreme weather that impacts Galveston the most are hurricanes. What makes Galveston vulnerable to hurricanes is the climate of the island. The climate of the island is humid and subtropical. The reason why the climate makes it vulnerable is because the island is hot and humid, causing thunderstorms and sometimes flooding into hurricanes. In terms of climate change, the change in forecast is it will get warmer. Galveston is the fifth largest area in the United States due to its size and population. The island is a major economic and cargo hub for the United States, which means there are a lot of ships and trucks going in and out of the ports of the city, causing toxic emissions. Due to the emissions, climate is changing, and the island is seeing an increase of temperatures and more storms that can cause flooding due to sea levels rising. The impact on Galveston community is the Great Hurricane of 1900. The island has seen the worst hurricane it has ever seen, and the island has recorded the deadliest disaster in the U.S. history. The island had 6,000 plus people die. Then the island was hit again by Hurricane Harvey in 2017. There are not really any solutions to stop the island from being vulnerable because of its being a major hub to the U.S. economy. Having the ports of Galveston disturbed could cost the U.S. $300 million a day. The only real solution to try to tame the sea was that the city built a 10-mile, 17-foot high seawall.